Hello! In this video tutorial I show you how you create a plot with guidelines. Therefore, we start a new project. We click on New. We maximize the window. We zoom into the view. Therefore, we press Ctrl and Shift and turn the mouse wheel. After it, we deselect the grid and the line weight for a better guidance. Then we start creating the first guidelines. We select 2D and Layout, 2D Guidelines, Guideline, Vertical Guideline. This line is now depicted in black. We can also change the color, therefore we press the right mouse button and we select Properties. We click on Appearance. We choose the color, for example green. Press OK, OK, and OK. Now we can create our first guideline. For the second guideline, we choose a horizontal guideline. This horizontal guideline we place here. We leave the guideline color in green and enter now our dimensions with guidelines. We select 2D and Guidelines, Guideline, Numeric Parallel Guideline. The wall thickness is 30 centimeters. From this point in this direction 0.30. The next distance is 13 meters 20. We select the reference line. The reference line is this line in this direction, and we type in a distance of 13.20 meters. The next guideline has a distance of 30 centimeters. Reference line is this line. We type in 0.30 and press OK. The same thing we do in the Y direction. From this line, in this direction, a distance of 0.30. From this line, in this direction, a distance of 13.20. From this line, into this direction, 0.30. Now we create the inner guidelines. From this line, into this direction, a distance of 5.50 meters. The wall thickness is again 0.30. Here the same again. From this point in this direction 5 meters 50. The wall thickness is 0.30. The guideline grid is finished now and I can orientate on the single catching points. Now we start creating the walls. Therefore, we select Building, Walls, External Walls, and Between 2 Points Chain. Now we start with the first wall. This would be the start point. We can see that the wall already has a specific wall thickness. We can change the wall thickness, therefore we press the right mouse button and select Properties. In our plot, the wall thickness is 30 centimeters. So we type in 0.30 and press OK. Now we can see that the wall is sketched centered on the point. We can change that, therefore we press Ctrl and W. I show you this. Now we can see that the reference point of the wall changes. We select this point. After that we go to the next point. When you press the Ctrl key and move your mouse at the same time, you can use the angular grid. Then walls only can be inserted in the defined angle. With this function, it is possible to insert 100% horizontal or perpendicular walls. This is now the second point. That's the third point. That's the fourth point. We could also change the wall thickness for the next wall. Therefore, press the right mouse button and select Properties. But we don't need that in our example. That's the fifth point. That's the sixth. Here we press again Ctrl and W to change the reference point of the wall. Now we can close the outline. To display the square meters, we press 2 or 3 times Escape and click into the room. The room is selected now. You can see that on the red crosshatching. After it, we press the right mouse button and select Properties. We select Labeling and Floor Area. We type in FA for Floor Area and press OK. Now we can see that the floor area is 143.99 square meters. To zoom into this point, we press the Ctrl and the Shift key at the same time and turn the mouse wheel. If we want to change now the cross-hatching of the walls, for example into a filled color, we press 2 or 3 times the Escape key, select the wall, press the right mouse button and select Properties. Click on Layer Construction, Material, select 2D Display. For the fill style, we select Monochrome. For the color, we choose a dark gray. Press OK, OK, and OK again. Now the wall is gray. If we want to transfer those properties to another wall, we select the wall, press the right mouse button and click on Transfer Properties. We want to transfer the layer construction. Click on Next. On the current layer, select External Walls and click on Finish. Now the plot is finished. Finally, we can switch off the guidelines to control the plot. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.